Hey guys, it's Linda and welcome to my DIY channel. For today's video, I'm going to try something kind of crazy. I'm going to try to sew an outfit in 15 minutes. If you know a sewing YouTuber who might be down to try this out, let them know. Anyways, I have like about a yard of fabric. I have like an old dress to use as a template. I'm using my serger because it's a knit fabric, and basically I'm planning on doing like a bodycon-ish dress and then also like straps that tie at the top, and maybe like adding a slit to it. I don't know, we will see in like a second, but okay. Oh, I need to set my timer. Whoops. Okay, 15 minutes. Whew. Are you guys ready? Ready, set, go. Okay, so I have my fabric right here, and I have it folded into fours. And whenever you cut plaid, you want to make sure it's all lined up and pretty, because you want it like straight, you know, or like have a stripe down the center, if that makes any sense. So okay, and this is just like a mini dress. I actually got this dress when I was, I guess, planning or like packing for my Miami trip, my bachelorette trip, and my girls made me find a snake print dress, which I would never buy on my own, but this one was actually really cute, and I'll show you like some pictures here. But they did like matching outfits and it was really, really fun, and I missed them. But anyways, if you guys are watching this, I love you, but I need to keep going and I need to stop talking. So I'm gonna just trace kind of along this. I think this dress is kind of on the shorter side, so maybe I'll give it some extra length. And then I want to add straps, so ideally I would have like a facing piece to like connect the straps. So I'm gonna do that, I think, yeah. So I'm gonna cut this section and make it kind of like the facing. Okay, now leave this here. Okay. I think this is right. I don't know. I'm just gonna cut it. And since I'm doing it on my serger, it'll be like a lot easier. And I'll give it like a nice finished edge. Short. I feel like I'm just gonna cut it this length. I don't even know if I'm gonna hem this, to be honest, because I don't know if I'm gonna have time. There, oh, I might need that. Okay. So I have the dress cut out. The facing piece is not straight. Let me fix that. Okay. And then so for the straps, I'm thinking about doing like the tying straps, but I'm probably just not going to finish the edges at all. I'm just going to cut it, hopefully in a straight enough line for it to be a cute strap. I want to make it perfectly straight though. Okay. I'm like thinking too much. I'm just gonna go for it. Oh no, that's super crooked. Ugh. Oh well. So now I have 4 straps. They look kind of like this. And then I'm gonna tie them at the top so I can just fix the length later. Get rid of everything else I don't need, so that's not in the way. I don't think I need that. I don't think I need that. What time is it? 10 minutes left. Okay, so since the front and back pieces are the same, it doesn't really matter. But I don't know why I'm even doing like a facing piece. I feel like that's so extra, but I'm gonna put the facing on top and then basically have the straps go through it, or like pinch on the inside. Should I make the straps match? Oh, this is a really crooked cut one. Okay, if this is the front, I'll just make the front nice. The back doesn't have to be perfect. And then this one, there. Okay, so now they're lined up. I'm just gonna pin them so that they stay when I like move it over to the machine. And hopefully this all turns out great, but you never know. Okay, I got 2 straps. These are so crooked. I don't have enough time to cut them again. This will just be the back side of the dress. You know, I really hope another YouTuber tries this, because then, you know, it'd be kind of cool. It's actually a challenge, not just something crazy that I tried to do by myself. Okay, so I'm gonna sew this. I'm so nervous, I'm like shaky. This is not a good idea, especially with the serger and like this knife on the side. I'm gonna sew. Hopefully I don't lose the finger. Okay, I have the back side done. I need to do the front side, and then I could combine them together and then just sew the sides. Okay. Cut the ends off. I don't even know what time it is. 6 minutes. Oh, I think I'm kind of okay, I hope. Okay, so this is what it looks like. If I flip it like that, now I got the straps on the outside. It's kind of cute. And then I have the facing piece on the inside. So I just want to make sure it's like smooth. I should be ironing this, but I don't got tons for that, so whatever. Okay. Now put these right side to right side. I'm gonna like tie the strap so I don't accidentally like run it through the serger. That would be bad. Okay. You know what? Screw it. I'm not even gonna pin it. I'm just gonna sew it. Okay. Don't mind me for like the next however many minutes. I'm just gonna sew. This is like super bulky. I don't know if it's gonna go all the way through. The knife isn't like catching it because it's so bulky. Ow. Okay. One side is done. Looks a little crazy at the top part, but it works. Okay. I'm gonna sew the other side. What time is it now? 3 minutes. Hopefully it goes through this side a little bit better. Okay, I cut up all the little strands, and don't know why, but the hem isn't perfectly even, so I'm just gonna cut that off right now. And I'm just gonna leave it like a raw edge. I think that's okay, right? I mean, who's gonna judge me? I hope no one. Okay. Oh no, that's not straight. So, this is basically the dress. I really hope it fits. I don't know if it will. Should I add a slit into it? This side is the front. I'm going to cut a slit. I think that's it. What time is it? 45 seconds. Okay. I think I'm done. I'm going to trim off all these little ugly pieces. Guys, I think it's kind of cute. Okay, I need to try it on now. I really hope it fits. I feel like it might be still kind of long, but I'm just going to trim it later. Why did I do that? Okay, so I'm going to tie these straps. Oh, that scared me. Turn you off. And so let me try this on and then get back to you guys to show you what it looks like. I'm gonna turn off the camera because I don't want y'all looking. Okay, so this is what the dress looks like. I feel like it turned out really cute. It's so comfy. Like the knit is super stretchy. It is so hot right now, but I just wanted to show you guys like an up close of the dress. Sorry, it's so messy back there, but here's the straps. I wish I had time to do like a double layer for the straps, but I'm kind of okay with like seeing the white part. It's not the end of the world. And then for the boobage area, I'm glad I did that facing because it's like a lot more supportive. And then here's the slit. Sorry, my legs are really ashy, but I'm probably gonna go back in to like finish off that hem so it doesn't like unravel or anything. But yeah, that's my dress. I hope you guys like it. I'm pretty happy with it. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and then also let me know what other challenges or crazy weird things you guys want me to try out, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.